Hey guys, my name is Maria and this is my channel and Beauty. Today I'm going to be reviewing the style Double Demi Wispies. These bad boys over here. I haven't worn them before and I'm going to see if they are awesome or if they suck. They look so long. I'm not going to cut them, but they do look like they need to be cut. Unless you have huge eyes, which I'm jealous of you because I love people with huge eyes. I think it just looks so pretty. But not like in a weird medical way. Okay. Like that. The ones on the bottom, they go under. And they should be able to close. And this is what happens. Under my lashes. I know you're supposed to go over, but I'm just gonna try it this way. Okay. You can tell that, first of all, they are pretty long. They're way too long for my eye. And they look just like I have a really bushy spider on my eye. It does not look cute in any way, shape, or form. But, I don't know. I feel like they really need to be cut. But even if they were cut, they just, on natural lashes, they don't really stay that well. Let's try again. First of all, something I noticed is because there's two lashes, they should make them less voluminous because together, I mean, look at this. When they're together, look at that. Can you guys see that? This is so fluffy and so thick. I mean, that looks too thick in my opinion. I mean, look at this. Like that. Imagine if it was shorter, that would actually look really pretty. But because there's two, it looks too, like there's too much volume. It looks too fake. Wait, let's try. Bang. Oh, there we got it. I got it. Okay, I do expect the outer end to kind of sag because it is longer than my eye, but the inner part shouldn't be sagging. It kind of just floats. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it really just floats. And if I close my eye on the outer corners right here, it does not want to stick to my lashes whatsoever. It's really a shame because I love Ardell lashes and I was really excited for this. And I was even thinking if they're too long the way they are right now, I could just trim the end and it would look really pretty. But I mean, look at that. Look at the inner corner. Ooh. It looks really bad. Oh crap. They should have like a testing place where you can just test the magnets out on your eyelash, and if they work you can buy them, and if they don't, you don't have to worry about the money you spent. But I don't know. That's my opinion with these lashes. There should be a free try on in every store. Okay, this is the best it's gonna get. Honestly, it's not gonna get better than this. I can try all day, but it ain't. As you can tell, they're extremely long and I just recommend cutting them off unless you have a huge eye, which in that case I'm jealous of you. But so far I have to say they look pretty fake. I mean, they are fake lashes, but I kind of want people to think, oh, is she wearing fake lashes or is that her really voluminous set of beautiful lashes? But no, this is just a no-no. Just especially at the beginning. I mean, okay, this time I really tried to get the inner magnets in the inner portion of my eye to really close to my lash line, but it's just not working. In my opinion, this is a no from me. 1, it's way too long. 2, it's too voluminous and they look at this point like they're just plastic, really fake, and they just, doesn't make me want to wear them. And basically you have to be extremely patient. Oh, also, I didn't put on any mascara, which I was gonna, because they were so voluminous and so thick. If I would have done that to help them stick on, it would have looked too fake in my opinion, and I couldn't wear that, you know, out on the street. Now I'm gonna be testing out the accent lashes, and I have the Ardell Magnetic Accents in the style Accent 001. I don't have any mascara on right now because I wanted to show you guys how they look like without mascara, but I will be putting some on later in the video so you can see the difference. I've noticed they go on way easier if you put the bottom one first, so that's what I'm going to be doing. Okay. I think this is the prettiest they're gonna be, so I'm just gonna leave them like that. I got them pretty close to the lash line, as close as I could get, and they look really pretty. Yeah, beware, this can happen. If you guys see any of this, just slowly put it back down. Don't think it's broken. And voila! What I've noticed is that if you adjust your bottom lash before putting on the top one, so that means if it's too down or too to the side, just make sure it's in place exactly where you want it, and then close your eyes on top, and when you put the top one, it's perfect. So yeah, I really like these. I think I like them more just because they look so natural. If I'm looking very close, you can tell I have magnets, but very slightly. Unless you were to come real close to my eye, I don't think you could tell. Another reason why I love them so much is because my eye is so small. The accents one just fit my eye perfectly. My lashes kind of start about here anyways. Around here, I have my first lash in here. So if you do put on mascara, I'm sure they would blend even more. But because they look pretty similar to my natural lashes, they look pretty and natural. I feel like if I wouldn't have the time to do mascara in the morning, because I have a very extensive mascara routine, you can check out that video on how I make my lashes look fake. I usually layer my mascara and also have time for it to dry in between the layers. So for me, this is a really easy way to get those fake fluffy wispy lashes, and I really like them. Another thing I love about these lashes is the fact that because they're not that intense, if you do a smoky eye look or you put a little bit of glitter on the eye, your eyeshadow will be able to be seen through the lashes and it'll have a more natural effect. And this just looks so good. It just has that va-va-voom effect without being like bam, it's just va-va-voom. I don't know, I like them. They look pretty natural and they are really comfortable to wear. I really can't feel them. I mean, you can feel them a little bit, but not more than the glue-on ones, which is good. They actually feel lighter because they are lighter. They don't have that many lashes, so you don't have to feel like your eyes are drooping down. I know I've seen other people say that their eyes droop, but honestly, I'm not experiencing any of that, and I can barely tell they're on, so yeah. And look how easy it is to take them off. I mean, just whoop. If you don't need any mascara, I mean, this is a really easy way to take your makeup off. I'm gonna do my lashes real quick. So best tip is putting them over your lashes. So put these, the bottom ones, over your lashes, your bottom lashes, and make sure your eye holds it tight. Okay. Also, if you notice that the front part is going away from the outer edge, like this is too far away, just make sure you break it up with your finger. All in all, these lashes are amazing because they are more natural since they start where your lashes naturally start instead of in the very beginning, which most people don't have their lashes there. And they do look very wispy, but yet natural. And I like the fact that they look very flared at the edge, like princess, giving off princessy dramatic vibes. And I don't know, I just think they're very easy to wear. You don't have glue involved. They're not heavy. I can't feel them on my eyes, you know. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. That would mean so much to me. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. What was I gonna say? I have tried these on. Why I love these lashes are